Artificial intelligence is a magnificent creation of humans, but just like any other creation, it also comes with some drawbacks, and perhaps the most dangerous ones. In this video, we are going to discuss 3 real dangers of AI. But let me ask you one question. Who is smarter, a human or a computer? When I was a 7-year-old, I was able to perform a long division, and people started calling me a genius. Now, when we look at a computer, it is able to perform that with 1000 times better speed and accuracy. And that led me to believe that with the help of AI, computers can become much smarter than us. But when I started studying more and more, I found something interesting. Now I will tell you this later because I don't want to get derailed from the topic. So the first danger of AI is hack attack. Okay, I have just said hack attack, but still, can AI be hacked? What makes this question so interesting is the fact that AI is thinking and a learning entity which is helping us to detect malware. Cybersecurity companies use AI models to write scripts, which helps them to do less work and get the output with reasonable amount of time. Considering this, is it possible to hack an AI system? Well, the answer is simple. Yes, AI can be hacked. How? It is simply because any system which is working on computer code can never be 100% secure. This leads to a better question. If we are using AI system about everywhere and they can be hacked, how can we rely on them? For this, pick one option for the following question. What do you think will happen if an hacker hacks into a neural network of an AI model? Option A. The AI system will be under the control of the hacker. Option B. The hacker will be able to modify the code and train the program to perform malicious activities. Option C. The AI system will crash. Option D. Everything above will happen in order. You can pause this video to commit to an answer. For this, think about human intelligence for a minute. Our brain works on chemical reaction, and chemical reaction can be modified by just manipulating the environment or introducing a new compound. So why human intelligence is not unreliable? The answer is pretty simpler than I thought. If you attack on someone's brain, he will get dysfunctional or he will die. You can create a virus which can make humans violent, but it won't affect organisms with a different structure. Similarly, you can hack an AI system and it will crash. When you tamper with a system, you have to do the exact right thing or the system will break. Destroying is hard, creating is harder, but modifying is hardest. Let's look at the next danger, which is the stubborn algorithm. Okay, imagine you give a command to a robot that needs to be executed. You create its algorithm according to that. Now, if somehow to execute the command, it needs to kill all of us, what will happen now? It will obviously do its job because it was made for that, not because it hates us or something. It is just trained like that. This is a dangerous situation where it was a human error at the very beginning, but it turns out into a very different thing at the end. When a programmer is training an AI model, he needs to be very specific and think about 1000 different things, which increases the chance of human error. Lastly, our final danger is economical crisis. I want you to think for a minute. Suppose you are an owner of a company. Now if I tell you that I will provide you robots to work, which will do the work faster without asking you for money. All you need to do is to charge them. Will you buy the machines? Of course you will buy them, but here comes the interesting part. Now, because every business is making their work fast and cheap by using robots, people are not getting jobs, and that is why they will not be able to earn properly. This will lead them not buying the products because of their financial problem. Now the businesses will lower the prices of everything because now they are not paying workers and people are not buying because of that. This means that businessman is also getting low or no profit even after using automation. Here you might think that programmers are safe, but there are two things. Huge competition will be there to get a job as a programmer, and once people started getting away with the technology, programmers will also not be able to earn money. Thinking of this scenario, what should we do? I think we should maintain ourselves who we are and make ourselves creative, because artificial intelligence works on data, and if you think AI is remixing music so it is becoming creative, it is actually not the case, because our creativity is their data and it is only working because they are processing the data that came from our creativity. The hypothetical case I mentioned above can be completely false, but one thing I do understand right now is I was not smart because I was able to do long division at the age of 7. I was smart because I was creative just like any other kid. Now I think I should wrap this video up, and if you like this video, make sure you pop the like button and the subscribe button